What is Android? Do you know what makes your smartphone smart? It's something called Android. Android is an operating system developed by Google. It is mainly used in smartphones and tablets. Just like Windows runs on computers, Android runs on your phone. Android works like the brain of your phone. It controls everything from apps and games to your camera and internet. Whenever you open an app, Android makes sure everything runs smoothly. One of the best things about Android is that it is open source. This means many companies like Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus use Android. It is also highly customizable. You can change themes, wallpapers, and widgets. Plus, you can download millions of apps from the Google Play Store. Android is popular because it is easy to use, flexible, and available on both budget and high-end phones. That's why billions of people use Android worldwide. So, Android is the powerful system that makes your phone smart and useful. Without it, your smartphone wouldn't be so smart. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech videos.